Okay, hello again. Today we will know how to deal, I mean, to connect between different actors without casting. For example, I create this actor called key and this actor called door. So when I have the key, destroy, print have you have the key and I can open the door. But the problem is I can open the door without the key. So I don't want to cast, and actually there is too many way to do this. So I will start with interface blueprint interface. I will call it tag and I will talk about tag. So I will call it here tag 1 for example. I will go to my key. This is the key. I will create a new variable, call it door, and this will be the reference to our door. Okay, uh, so pp underscore door. Okay, and this will be object reference. And here I can call this interface, this function I created called tag1. So I'll call it tag1, this message, yep, and set it here. Okay, and set the target our door. Okay, and make it instance editable and Xbox on spawn. So okay, okay, so I will go to my door and class setting and the other the interface here, this interface I will add it in my door, tag, yep, and you can find it here. Okay, so what can I do now? I will create boolean. Let's say have the key. Okay, sorry, have the key for example, or the key. Okay, and I will set the boolean here and I will connect the boolean here. Okay, and make it true. So what is that mean? I mean, what is this mean? Like when you take the key, the message will say it's have the key. So the interface will run and run on this boolean and make it true. So you will see, let's say, and set a branch here. Okay, and ask if you have the key or not, the same boolean. So let's try now. Sorry, now I can take the key and sorry, so I have to set the key. So because we make it public, where's the key, make it instance it's editable, so I can just select the key and take this. You see this reference, take this, set it here. So now I can't open the door, see, doesn't print anything. So when I take the key, now I can open the door, see. Let's try again, have the key, open the door. Okay, uh, I will let's try start with tag. Okay, I will create another one, call it tag2. Sorry, and I will set boolean here. Okay, I will delete this and I will delete this again, delete this, delete this. Okay, where is the key, delete this, delete this. Okay, so I will call the interface again, I mean this one, the tag2. So let's call it tag2, this one, yep. And before this, let's delete it. Before this, I will go to the door. Okay, on details here, just type tag. Okay, you see this tag, you can add array. Let's call it like door. Okay, so I will go to the key, and I will get, sorry, get all, oh, I'm typing. Okay, get all actors with tag. Okay, so I will call the tag here, tag to the interface, the function from the interface, and I will set this boolean to true, and the target will be the tag. Okay, so the tag will be the door. Okay, because we set tag here. If we have the key, now we can open the door. But how to do this? Okay, I will go to the door, and on class setting, I mean, you already have it, you will find it here. Okay, so I will create a new boolean. Let's say have a key, for example. So this boolean, I will set it here and connect it here, and the condition will be the function condition. Okay, I will set a branch here and ask if you have the key or not. So let's try. Everything is good. Yep. So now can I open the door? No, doesn't print anything. Okay, if I have the key, okay, can I? No. Yep. Now I can open the door. Let's make it destroy. Destroy actor. Okay. Now I have the key. Now I can destroy the actor. But be careful. Be careful. Sorry. Be careful. Tag is, I mean, tag is heavy. So heavy. So be careful with it. So let's start with the get all actors, or get actors of class, actor of class. So I will delete this and delete this and delete this, and I will leave the boolean. We don't need this. Okay, okay. So for example, this is our key. I will just set boolean here. Have key, for example, sorry, and this boolean will be this variable will be boolean. Have key. If we have the key, we will set it to true. So I will go to the door, and I don't need this. So from here, or and begin begin play, I will call get actor of a class. I will start with the of a class, just one actor. Okay, so this will be bb key, our key, and I will promote this to variable, and okay, I will get this variable here. This all actors. Yep. Sorry. Yeah. So just get actor. I'm typing. Oh my god. Get actor. Get actor of a class. Not all, just one. Okay. And this will be pp key, our key, and promote this to variable. Now we have reference to this boolean. Okay. So I will set the branch here and ask if you have the key or not. On true, print door is open or destroy. Now I will get this reference, and I will let's call it, rename it key reference. Okay, I will get this reference, and I will get the boolean from our key, this boolean. Have a key, get have a key. Okay, and I will set it here, and let's try. And sorry, let's try with the door first. Now doesn't destroy. Okay, if I have the key, I can now destroy the actor. Okay, what's the problem? What's the problem? Uh, overlap and get actor of class is the reference. I mean, have a key. Something wrong. Ah, because the actor is destroyed. Okay, sorry. So, actually, there is too many way to do. Let's see. Okay, there's too many way to do this. If you need it without destroy the actor, I mean the key without destroy the key, you can create it. Let's say you can do it with the game mode. Create. Yep. So let's try this now. If I have the key, now I have the key. I don't have the key. Now I can destroy. Okay. So let's try. Can I destroy it now? No. But if I have the key, I will destroy it. So, for example, I will talk about this is tag. If you want to do this, anything about, I mean, not tag the what we did, the actor of class. Okay, you can get all actors of class. And for example, let's try. Let's create another one. Or we, no, I want to create another one. Tag 3, for example, and leave it here. Okay. No begin play. Okay. So I will talk about actors of class. For example, I will open my 3-person character here. For example, if I press key, any key, let's give this. If I press, for example, F, I want all actors with interface to do something. Okay, so how to do this? It's easy. Just I will create a new one, or no, I will use those. Okay, the door and the key. I can get it here, and I will go to the key from class setting and add the interface. It's called tag. This is the tag. Okay, I will delete this. I don't need it. For example, have the key, or yep, is the same. If I call this event, the same thing here. I will delete this and open door, but without destroy. I don't want to destroy it. You can, but I don't want to destroy it. So we have interface here now in both actors. I will go to call it from the 3rd-person character and get actors of all get all actors of class. From here, let's see, get all actors of, sorry, okay, get all actors with interface. Okay, the interface will be the tag that we created, this tag. Okay, all actors that they have interface, the same interface, this one, the same interface. So from here, for each loop, and I want all those actors when I press the E to do something. Okay, the F, sorry. Let's say what we can now, we can call the function that we added to the actor from the interface. So this function 3, when I call it, it's a print like a door open, and here when I call it print you have the key. So let's say let's do something. I want on the door, let's get the door and set rotation, relative rotation, uh, let's make it, for example, what is okay, no problem. So now from here I can call the function only. Okay, so I will type tag3. I can get tag3 and connect it here. So now when I press F, I can get all actors. They who have the tag3. I will run it here, make it run here. I mean, sorry. So now if I press F, okay, when the key I want to the key to destroy actor, and the door will rotate. Okay, now let's try. Nice. Okay, so and there is another way actually to do this. um, I don't know, but it's better way. Let's start with it. Oh my god. Okay, leave it like this. And I mean, the way you can connect with actors, if you want, like open the door, let's say door open, and leave it rotate. Sorry. Yep. So I will delete this interface, and I will delete this interface, and okay. So if you have an interact system, like we'll delete this. Create one. If you want to create one, you can see the tutorial. So it's nothing here, just line trace by channel, camera, get forward location, world location, get forward actor, multiply it, and add. And I deal with interface. I add interface. I will show you where's the interface. This interface interact, can interact with the output boolean, and interact with reference to our player third person character. So I set it here, and the reference will be the self. Okay, the reference, I mean, will be the self because we set it here. Let's call it, for example, player. Okay, now I refresh the node. So, and before this, if you want to do something with tag, before I start with this, I remember if you want to do something with tag, for example, I want this AI moving or not. No problem. Okay, sorry. This AI move or not? No, it's not moving, so I will open the AI. There's nothing here. Okay. With tag, if you want to ask, like for example, let's go to our door or our key. Let's go to our door. For example, if I have like AI or multiplayer game, I have too much player, like 5 or 6 players, so I want to ask for something. I can't just ask from here, like has a tag. I will type tag only. Yep, actor has tag, and set a branch and ask which tag do you want to ask. For example, let's say for example I have AI moving on collision. If I overlapping with some collision, the collision will, for example, print something. So if our AI overlapping with this collision, the collision will start, will run, like will print something. So you can't do this with tag, like ask if where's the door? If the tag on the player, you can't just the player type tag and set the tag for the player tag mesh here. You can set it here. Okay. And I know there is a way like you can from here just get player character and multiply it. I mean add, sorry, add, sorry, not this, add, oh my god, add, where it, not this, sorry, equal from here. Okay, this will be another actor and ask if he's player character, but I mean you can do anything with tag if you want. So if you have interact system like this, you can the target will be the player, so we have reference to our player. We can't do anything in our player. For example, I will go to the door, delete this, I have it already, the interface that you can just easily class setting and add it here. You can find it here. Can interact, I make this boolean if he can or not. So if I interact now with this, the door will rotate, and if I interact with the key, print how you have the key and destroy. Okay, let's try. I will make it for duration to see the interact. Okay, now okay, you have the key, and now okay, door open when I interact and rotate. Okay, nice. So how can I connect between those actors from the interface that we have on interact, because we set it on let's say the reference, we set the reference to player, to our player. Okay, so I will go to the player, for example, and create boolean, let's say have a, let's say just have. Okay, so I will go to the key. I will delete this, I don't need it. And anything I have here, no, I will delete this also. So from this key, from our key, I will just drag from here and search, just get the have boolean, this boolean. Okay, I'm sorry, in the key I will just set the have boolean. I will set it here to true. Okay, and in our door I will do the same, but I will get the boolean get have. Okay, and I will set branch here and connect it, ask if we have have the key or not, because we set it to true where in the key. So let's try now. If I interact with the door, print anything or rotating, no, doesn't print anything. So if I take the key, you have the key. If I interact, yep, it's rotating and door open. Okay, let's try again. I have the key, door open. Let's try without the key. So and still there's another ways to do this. Okay, I remember something like if you want to connect between two actors, if you have like a switch light or light switch, I mean, and you have light and you want to do something. So let's start. I mean, where's the direct light here? Sorry, make it something like this. Yep, and I will just add, for example, spotlight here. Let's make it red, for example. Okay, make it here. Yep. Okay, nice. For example, I have this interact system or anything you want to do. I will delete this and delete this, and I don't want to destroy. So I just can create a new variable, call it for example light, So, and this will be like light, spotlight. I can't find spotlight here, I think. Yep, this will be object reference. And after I interact, sorry, I will get it here. For example, set, okay, sorry, set visibility, okay, this one, for example, to new visible. For example, let's flip the float. Where is it? Flip. Sorry, they are spelled wrong. Flip. Yep. Okay. Let's duplicate this. New visible. Not visible. The target will be the same, and I will make it inaccessible and expose or spawn. Okay. What can I do now? For example, this is a light switch here. Okay, I will select it. I will find the light variable that we created. I will select this pane and set it here. Okay, everything is good. So if I, okay, oh my god, I will try on overlapping because I did the interact on third person character. So let's try on overlap. Where is the overlap? Okay, nice on overlap. Okay, I'll select this, get the, sorry. Okay, let's see. I overlap now. New visible, sorry. Yeah, new visible. Oh my god. So if I overlap now, it's off. I overlap again, it's on. Okay. So if you don't want to, like, you can't play with light, like, do it in the blueprint, like, for example, set, yep, this one. For example, I make it to 0 or to 5 and duplicate it and make it, I will set it like 100. Okay, target will be the same. So let's try. If I overlap now, see? So if you want to do it with interact with anything, you can do anything, it's easy. Okay,